Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make meatball subs, but first I want to say if you are in the Carolinas or Virginia, anywhere affected by Hurricane Florence, my prayers go out to you. Stay safe, be sensible, don't do anything to put your life in danger. With that being said, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some ground beef, ground turkey or whatever, some Parmesan, mozzarella, egg, onion, salt, pepper, panko, crushed red pepper, Italian seasoning, and some kind of pasta sauce. All right, so in a skillet, what I do is I'm going to heat up this skillet and I'm going to add some olive oil, saute my onion and my garlic before adding it to the meat. I do this because I feel like it gives it a better flavor, but you don't have to if you don't want to. That is totally up to you. I don't caramelize it all the way. I just cook it just enough. You can caramelize it all the way if you want, but to save time, sometimes I don't. So now you're going to add your ingredients to your meat. You're going to add your onion and your garlic, salt and your pepper. You're going to add your Parmesan cheese. You're basically going to add everything to it except the sauce and the mozzarella cheese. Yes, I do put Parmesan cheese inside the meat. You don't have to if you don't want to, and you don't have to use panko breadcrumbs. You can use any kind of breadcrumbs. I just like panko better. So you're just going to add everything. And then you're going to mix thoroughly. You don't want to mix it too much though, okay? You don't want to overmix this. And to form your meatballs, you can chill them for about 30 minutes or you can just go straight to the skillet. But that's what I did. I just went straight to the skillet. It's up to you. You're going to cook them on all sides till they're done in the middle. You can also put these in the oven. It's up to you. I was only cooking a few because, of course, I can't eat these right now because I'm doing a smoothie cleanse, so I can't have this. So I was only doing a few, so it wasn't that serious to do it this way. And what I do is I drain, after I finish cooking them on all sides, I drain out that fat. And then I add in the sauce. And I let it cook in that sauce for about an hour. I just really want the flavor of the sauce to blend well with the meat. And I like to cook the jar sauce for at least an hour or so. And just season it up with however you want. I just feel like it tastes better once it's cooked a while. That's just me. You don't have to do it that way. So you're just going to let that simmer for about an hour. And then what I do is I put my sub rolls in a baking dish and I put them in the oven on 400-degree oven and I let them toast for about 10 minutes and then I add my meatballs into the sub rolls. This is so that your sub rolls don't end up really soggy. Okay. You don't have to do that, but it's just a little tip that I do. So I go ahead and I fill them with the sub rolls and then I add a little sauce on top. I don't add a whole lot of sauce because like I said, you've cooked the meatballs in the sauce. So they're already moist. You don't need to add a whole lot of sauce unless that's just what you like. If you like a lot of sauce, go for it. So, yeah, this is just a quick dinner that I did. It's really unfair because I can't have it, but it is what it is. Okay, so, and then you're going to add, after you add how much sauce you want, you're going to go through and add your cheese. Add as much cheese as you like. It doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to be perfect, honey. Just add the cheese. Nobody's going to judge you. I use mozzarella. You can use 6 Italian cheese. You can use whatever you want to use. Sometimes I use fresh mozzarella. It's up to you. It's your kitchen. You do you. So once I get all the cheese on all these, I'm going to add them into a preheated 400-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then they're done. Okay, so once they come out, this is what they look like. Look how moist those meatballs are. You don't need a whole lot of sauce, but like I said, if you like a whole lot of sauce, you go ahead and you use however much you like. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that y'all have a great weekend. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.